More than 20 years ago, we introduced a sturdy body-on-frame vehicle that was based upon the idea that you don't have to choose between luxury and off-road functionality. In other words, we made an SUV that could do both. We've introduced just 2 generations of GX over 2 decades. And even though we haven't updated GX in a long time, you can't possibly ride around Texas without passing a GX on your way to work. And we absolutely love that. Needless to say, GX has cemented its spot in our lineup. And over the years, it's gained a massive enthusiast following. And we've enjoyed seeing our guests take GX to the limits. So this time around, our engineers and designers focused on how they could express the duality that's made GX an icon. It needed a tough, rugged exterior to show the capability and durability it's earned over the past 20 years, paired with intuitive technology and luxury and tech-forward features that our guests expect. And the result? Well, I'll let you see for yourself. Take a look.
Every moment worthy. The all-new Lexus GX.
An absolute home run. Okay, I know I'm biased, but I have to tell you, I was impressed when I saw the rendering. But seeing it in person absolutely blew me away. Now I'm going to walk you through some of the specs quickly so you have time to take a closer look. The 2024 GX will be offered in 6 grades, with 3 all-new grades, including the first ever Lexus Overtrail, which I'll come back to in a moment. The GX design introduces a massive change from previous generation with a square body profile and horizontal design that is optimized for off-road driving. We've continued the Lexus spindle body concept with a powerful front presence led by a seamless grille and triple beam headlight integration. It flows through the side profile where we pull back the A-pillar and improve the ground clearance. At the back, the aggressive stance continues with the signature unified L-shaped light bar and updated Lexus logo. Some of you may have also noticed the teaser images. GX now adopts a power lift rear door with a convenient pop-out window for ease of use in the cargo area. And moving inside the vehicle, you'll notice a significant difference in the horizontal instrument panel design that connects the controls and the 14-inch touchscreen display with Lexus interface technology. And GX is fully loaded with intuitive technology and convenience features for any adventure. And of course, GX comes standard with Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0. So I'm sure you're wondering about this vehicle here. Well, as I mentioned, designers wanted to create a tough, grounded exterior for the 2024 GX, but then they took it to the next level. The GX will be the first Lexus to bring the Overtrail Project to life. The intention of Lexus Overtrail is to inspire guests to enjoy a future where nature comes first, through refined adventures, embracing the outdoor lifestyle, and the ability to tackle any terrain. This has also led to the inspiration behind the first ever Overtrail grade that includes key features like Lexus' first standard 33-inch all-terrain tires, which are the biggest in our lineup, standard skid plate with Lexus badge, and a host of other key off-road elements. Overtrail is more than a grade, it's a lifestyle, and we're proud to bring it to our guests. So finally, let's talk about specs. GX is built on the GAF platform, which improves stability and strengthens the vehicle fundamentals, which are key elements to the Lexus driving signature. The 2024 GX upgrades to a 3.4-liter V6 twin-turbo engine with a 10-speed automatic transmission, which produces 349 horsepower, which outperforms V8's 301 horsepower. And torque increases to a massive 479 pound-feet. So yes, the 2024 GX can tow your boat, your trailer, or anything else up to 8,000 pounds. And we're thrilled to see how our off-road enthusiasts put the GX to work. And to continue our electrification strategy down the road, GX will adopt a hybrid powertrain. So it's hard to believe that 20 years has passed since we launched GX, but I think it was worth the wait. And I know our dealers are very excited to get these in stock, and I'm eager to see the reaction from our guests. We hope you're just as excited as we are.